let's make some chili, shall we? My husband went to get the ingredients, so this is what we have. Some ground beef, 5 pound. He's got the 73% lean, 27% fat. I got my seasonings here, you know, the holy grail: garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Got some Worcestershire sauce and some ketchup and a little brown sugar. All right, let's get it in the skillet and get it cooking. I got on this little baby apron. I had these when I think it was last year or even before last, Vacation Bible School, for the little kids that do crafts. And I had some left and I said I'll put it on. It's small, but it'll work, right? Anyhow, get this brown, pour out some of this fat. Get it going. Pour some of this grease off. So I actually wasn't supposed to be cooking or doing anything tonight, and this is actually for our Vacation Bible School. But I have a husband sometimes that volunteer me to do things. How many of you have that situation? Or husbands, if you're watching, how many have the wife volunteer you for things that you didn't intentionally wanted to do? But I said, you know what, this is for the church, this is for the kids and some adults, and I'm not just doing it for them, but I'm doing it to serve and to please my Father which is in heaven. So that's to do it. No brainer. Get ready to drain some more of this fat off, but I believe all of it is about brown. And I can start adding my seasonings. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I usually use pink Himalayan salt instead of the regular salt. Sure, I don't put too much. I'm cooking for other people. And then some black pepper. And also, let's mix that up first, and then I'll add in the Worcestershire sauce and the brown sugar. All right, now some ketchup. you going? Huh? Where you going? No, Daddy going to church. Yeah, go pick up one. All right, I'm gonna put a little brown sugar to my desire. All right, that should be good. Give that a good mix. All right, so the chili is done, and let's give it a taste. All right, pushing for time. I gotta get out of here. All right. I think it'll do. Homemade chili. All right, there you have it, my homemade chili. You can add onion, bell pepper, whatever you would like to add to it. Of course, you can measure it out, but me, I just kind of eyeball it and did it, whatever my heart desired. But anyway, that's the end of this video. If you would like to see me cook more, let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.